everybody on this call, especially if there are any newcomers. We would like to extend our warm welcome to everybody. Now, Friday sessions are very special because they are addressed by the CEO himself, who is here to share his experience, his insight, and his expertise on the impossible that we are all trying to achieve as a community, as a leader. So this is Friday call, and here we have with us our esteemed CEO, and we would like to extend our warm welcome to proceed with this call. Shavez, this floor is yours, and welcome to the call.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Rashid. Welcome to UK Prime Time. I believe everybody's doing good. Well, I'm also good, and I hope you all are excited and can't wait. I also can't wait when you guys would put your first capital in and start trading on Pi. So yes, we moved website and app on maintenance for the whole day. Today we deployed all the coupon functionalities in the app. Now the app is ready to go live. So anytime from now, we are just now testing small subscription to big subscription upgrades on Pi. Once this is completely tested, everything was built before, tested before, but still in the mainnet after deployment, we are testing it. Once this testing is finished, then we are ready to go live with coupons with activation. But still, you can buy coupons on WAAS. You can subscribe to Pi packages. Many people have subscribed. Many people got their free trading pass also. I saw some people generated multiple free trading pass, and they emailed also. They sent coupon ownership to different other people as well. The free trading pass coupons they generated. So you can generate multiple free trading pass, and you can send to your friends who are even not in WAAS. So this is also a very good way to promote Pi and free trading pass these days. If you're smart enough to understand this, how much traffic you can bring, how much value you can bring to your network in future also by onboarding people for free on Pi, giving them this high-end trading experience, a platform where
people say that email marketing is dead.
Absolutely not.
What everyone is missing is that email marketing is one of the best converting channels
for connecting with your leads and turning them into loyal customers.
That's why you should test every aspect of your funnel before promoting it. That is the power of a list, as Pedro mentioned in this course.
So this is really, really incredible, cool. We are ready to go live. So today's Zoom is going to be all about Pi. A quick, not a quick, but also not very detailed, a walkthrough of the dashboard. Once services will be active, once you will be able to deposit, you will get more idea. We will do another walkthrough probably on Wednesday as well with the live services. But today I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough of the website and backend so that you are able to start when we announce that you can start now. You can start activating the subscriptions. Well, you can start as soon as you see once we announce, and you will see here subscription page as well on the dashboard in your phone version as well as in your PC version. Okay. So before we get into detail about the dashboard, let me explain once again for the people who are new, what is Pi? Pi is a cutting edge social finance platform which brings, a great narrative of bringing profits with the help of masterpiece scoring of its own algorithm, that is Pi score, with machine learning, based on profit sharing, with secure fund custody and guaranteed identical returns, and with low entry barriers and complete transparency. This is what Pi offers in the market. So as we discussed about the Pi score, let us understand Pi score in a little more depth. Pi score is more than a leaderboard. It's performance intelligence engine. And this is our proprietary score mechanism, which utilizes machine learning, artificial intelligence to draw down and it also checks close to 1.1 million transactions in real time, and it evaluates 686 HFTs every single day. Their trade performance, how they are managing the asset, how they are, how many days they are in profit, are they beating the market or not, how they are managing with the leverages, their asset growth in AUM, if user has invested or if end user has invested in their service, are they experiencing their AUM growth or not, their timely payouts, low risk or high risk profile, and then high profits fetching mechanism where they are able to generate higher profits. So this is how pi score analogy brings life to the product. And with pi score, we are able to rate, we are able to score these services which you see in front of you. There are many other services which are also active, but you can't see them since they have not either qualified, maybe their number of days in trading are not enough to develop a pi score that is more than 45, 50. And once they develop that pi score, then we will publish those services as well. But currently, Pi score is monitoring every single day 686 HFTs. Uh, and this is monitoring with every PSDS. Every day on PSDS, on profit sharing daily settlement, these services are evaluated, and on PSDS, every action takes place, which I'm going to discuss further in this walkthrough. Okay, this is the website. Now we went on to the app. This is the app, app.pi.xyz, and there we can explore various HFTs which are listed in an order. So if you want to understand the order of their or the arrangement of their placement on the website, how it is arranged, they are arranged with last 7 days of PNL. So their last 7 days of PNL is monitored, and on the basis of their last 7 days of PNL, they are listed here on Pi. And then later, when there will be more services, you can filter them also with their Pi score. That if you want to invest in a service which is more than 70 Pi score, at certain time, of course, Pi score is going to increase. How it is going to increase, we are going to discuss. You can also filter by exchange where they are trading, Binance or Bybit. You can also filter them with the help of their trading strategy parameters such as spot or future, and then all these services will be listed here. Okay, so let's understand the Pi score calculation, how to check Pi score, how to check PNL, everything. Pi score can be checked here on clicking the logo of Pi score, and you will be able to get a pop-up with Pi score of this particular service where you clicked. Now let's go in and see. This is PNL percentage compounding. This is 1 month, this is 3 months, this is 6 months, this is 1 year, and this is all. And this is how you determine. You can also get their daily PNL, which is like this. If you go on 1 month, you'll be able to see today they made 0.8 for USDT. So their profit percentage was 0.56%. Yesterday they were in loss of 0.17. Day before yesterday 3%. Day before yesterday 5%. On March 31st 3.26%. So similarly, you can check profit daily also of the services, and total balance, how much AUM they are trading, number of investors, it's 0. Once services will start serving you on your subscription, then you will be able to see number of investors also increasing. And this all impacts the Pi score. And that's how we score these services by understanding their different matrices. And these matrices build up a single score. So not only profits, not only transactions, not only trading strategies matter, but everything matters of an HFT. Their profits, they're beating the market instinct. Like if the market is going down, in downtrend also they're making money. Days in profit, Sortino ratio, are they doing? So this is about profits. These 4 parameters are basically determining a profit score out of Pi score, and which is 27 out of 100. Then there is risk. Are they doing spot only? Max drawdown, how much drawdown is there in their whole trading cycle? The history of all days in trading, 344 days, the maximum drawdown is 32.9%. Paid claims, Sharpe ratio, then these are the factors which determine the risk profile out of 30 of a trade. And this is very important for you. These numbers will increase and decrease. It will change and fluctuate when there will be more number of investors. Now there are 0. Then asset growth, of course, this is 25 out of 100. Well, this cannot be determined right now because there are 0 investors. So asset growth, how much how many investors, are they growing or not, what is the age of the service which they are providing. So these are the service-based scores which accumulate, which constitute 25% of the PI score, and which is very significant that we have kept even the user experience and also their service quality, that if number of investors are increasing, then of course there will be assets growth. And how much is the asset growth? Like maybe first month they will be able to accumulate AUM of, let's say, $100,000, $200,000. Later in 6 months down the line, if they build and develop an AUM of, let's say, $4 or $5 million, then we can get to know that the asset growth has been very consistent and it has been growing and growing, and that will determine their PI score, and that will attract services to, this will attract more investors in particular service. And if the service is getting a lot of AUM and they are trading well, they will be able to make huge success fee as well. And that's the whole model. And everything works with high watermark principle. So investor is safe, trader is evaluated in a very transparent and in a very elaborative way. On top of that, this product functions in a very, very simple way. And then, there is another parameter of balance, which will also be affected when number of users come on board and they start trading. So these are the insights that PI score gives you. And here you get a summary of all of them in 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, and then risk profile of a particular HFT. This is at average risk. Now we will go to the second one. We will discuss more details here. So, and how many people remember high watermark? What is high watermark? How many people? Please raise your hand. Let me see. Okay. How many people remember at least what is high watermark and how it functions? This is really, really cool feature. Only 55 people, 56 people remember high watermark. Okay. Now you guys need to come to Rashid's training Zoom more often, rest of you. Because see, I can explain this. I can explain all the concepts every single day to you guys. But there is a masterclass that happens where everything from A to Z is broken down in a very simple language and it's explained to you. So make sure you attend Rashid's master training, and that will establish more clarity. But your uplines, I see 50 hands were up. Many people understand this. You guys can consult. I will explain as well. Okay, perfect. So let's discuss more. So in next service, we see PI score is 55 without any investors on board. Also, you guys can check the strategy, what strategy this particular HFT is applying. We send them different formats in which they have to provide their information about their fund, how they're managing it, who are the managers, what is their core infrastructure, what are their strategy and execution. Everything you will find here, and you can read about each and every service in the bottom. Okay, let's go. Then we go to the third one. This service is also really, really cool. I think this is one of my favorites. They have done 257% last year. 1 year and 3 months is also good. And 1 month they have done, in the downtrend of the market, if we see coin market cap and we go ahead and put our eyes here on an average, the whole market cap, last 7 days, if we see, it has been constantly, constantly low, and market, including Bitcoin, crash like anything. I mean, fluctuations, variations in the price of Bitcoin close to $2,000, $3,000 within 15 minutes. In this kind of market, if HFTs are able to make this kind of profits, and not all of them, we can see different trends because they have different strategies. But what matters is average for you, for me, for all the end users. But here, when we see their daily PNL, we also get to see the kind of variation which is easily visible in the market as well. So for me, it is really, really cool. Every day after PSDS, I go on Pi, I check daily PNL, and it's really interesting to me to see what is the market standing. And what I do, usually I go on Dodo, and I go and check Dodo here, last 7 days and last 30 days. This is because this is index of the market. This is markets, you can say, overall index, where you see the correct downturn of the whole, coin market caps accumulated downturn. Though our users made profit last 24 hours, but still the market has been, this is the market inside, market has been down 5% last 7 days and 15% last 30 days. And when I see and compare all these services, and if I will be able to see even 5% here or 2% here, I will be really proud and happy, because see, the market is constantly in a lot of turmoil from last couple of months, I would say. Once we saw Bitcoin going up and US elections finished, after that it has been a roller coaster ride. But in this kind of roller coaster ride, if these strategies are able to churn profits, then I can bet really big upon them, because what we are going to see next is a really welcoming bull run. So, and in fact, in the bear market, these are their starts. In bear market, if they have been operating for last 419 days, this particular service, if we talk about BTC Alpha, then last 419 days of PNL, if we see, it's 980%. In 419 days. And this is data from Binance. This is from their Binance account. Like I explained, there's a master account and there are sub accounts. This is the data from their master account. So this is how we have formulated this, and this is how we brought this whole accumulated scoreboard that gives us a picture, a real insight of the market. 419 days were in the bear market, and look what they have made in bear market. This is one of my favorites, BTC Alpha. Also, I like Purple Swan as well. Okay, Blackwood Capital is also good. Every strategy is unique, I would say. So yes, daily PNL, total balance, these things will update once we will have number of investors on board. Okay, I think I covered almost everything as to dashboard and services are concerned. People who are monitoring everyday PSDS, I think you guys are having a really great time enjoying this whole cycle, covering every 24 hours, and you get to see profits and you realize, and then you manifest that this is how and this is what I'm going to make every day. And this is what gives me a bigger picture, shows me bigger picture of pie as to how many lives we are going to change, of people who can start with just $10 and they would be able to see their returns, their profits every single day for the next 30 days. So gift a free trading pass to everyone you know. This is my suggestion. Even if they are able to generate some profits for 1 month, they will be happy. Okay, perfect. Let's move on to the next part of the walkthrough, that is funds and deposits. So here you see your portfolio into two categories, your portfolio and available balance. The portfolio balance is the balance which will be invested in these services and which is growing. And your available balance is your fund that you deposit or the profits you have received every day from your portfolio. I think this is very simple, very clear. Once you deposit funds, today I'm going to give you guys more insights as to how funds and transactions are done on Pi and how it kind of, I think we did not discuss yet about the transaction hash, how you see the history of transactions and where your money goes. I told you guys, I think on Wednesday, where your money goes, how it goes into Binance, but with transaction hash, you will have more clearer understanding. But once you deposit your USDT BEP20 on Pi, well, this is my account and it will be your account, which will be powered by Binance Broker Link, where of course SSL is secure, but the funds are protected and insured by Fireblocks. This is where your safety of the fund lies. this is the first platform I built where I'm not managing funds. Funds are protected by Binance's Seifu. So Fireblocks is the layer between you and Binance, you as a user and Binance. And once you deposit funds, it straight goes into the BSC USD smart contract. That means when you deposit USDT in your wallet, in your profile, in your account on Pi, it directly goes in the USDT smart contract of BEP20 chain, Binance Smart Chain. That means your funds directly go in the smart contract of Binance. Then when you withdraw or when you deposit in a service, then it moves from contract to contract, another BSC USD contract. And when you withdraw, the funds, they come from Binance smart contract to your available balance. And from available balance, you can withdraw them without any fee. And you can now deposit directly in your liquid pay card from next week, because BEP20 integration, base will be done first, and then BEP20 will be done as well. So this is how simple it is, and this is how safe your funds are in Pi. I mean, this is not something to be proud of, that as a platform, I'm not even managing the payouts and payments because the whole payment system is fully integrated and powered by Binance Broker Link, where your funds are also insured, are safe and protected. And the funds can only be deposited and withdrawn by you. So this is, I think, one step forward in the direction of bringing new products, bringing unique products into affiliate marketing space, where we have been setting up some benchmarks. I think there have been no platform especially in affiliate marketing industry, which has given such kind of security, safety feature of users' funds. I don't think so. Raise your hand if you think any platform in affiliate marketing has given this kind of infrastructure, where your funds are insured, protected by Binance and Seifu. I don't think so. Peter, which platform?
Binance.
Of course, Binance is not affiliate marketing platform. I'm saying about our provided products, and I'm talking about affiliate marketing industry. So yes, there has been no other centralized finance tool which is giving you such kind of transparency, where you trade also. Many forex companies, I've seen many things in the market. When we were building Pi, we saw so many colorful things in the market, and we took a lot of inspiration from existing tools as well. And this gave us more and more clarity as to why not to become another HFT and trade for people. That's not our expertise. Our expertise is in DeFi. Our expertise is in AI. Our expertise is in formulating what AI can bring to you. That is results. That is data, precise data and information that can help you invest. And also, in return, that transparent infrastructure where you don't have any hesitation to invest. So this is, I think, the best I could do so far, until the next project. But yes, this is something which is really is worth saying that it is a good platform. It is a safe, secure platform. Okay, so now that we discussed about the backend, let me give you guys more clarity over the website. So if you go on help page, you have all the basic questions answered. You guys can go check. Then you go on FAQ, you will find basic FAQs about everything on Pi: account, profit sharing, portfolio, everything. Each and every question is answered. So basic understanding, basic training, I think, can be done using Pi website. And this is, I won't hold you guys too much. I know you guys have to make calls now. Sales have started, and yeah, it feels really good that good times are coming. Market is also moving in the right direction. We are ready with the products. We are all ready, set, go, in a go condition, which makes me happy. So all the best to everyone. That's it for Friday. We'll see each other on Wednesday. I'm going to give you guys information about the roadshow, the Affiliate Marketing 3.0 roadshow in Singapore, with collaboration of Token 2049 Singapore. And the next Wednesday, I have more information to share. So 2 weeks are going to be very, very interesting. Make sure you guys don't miss Wednesday calls and Friday calls.
Well, Shavez, that was a fantastic walk through the Pi protocol. Yields, the interface. Thank you so much for this information. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the Pi protocols walkthrough. And as soon as the platform would be available, we will be able to access the subscriptions of Pi and activate our coupons. So here we are towards the end of the session. We will see you again soon on the US prime time, and we sharing with you the feedback evaluation form, as well as the live drop your question form, so that you can stay awake, stay informed, and you may get the information. Thank you so much, Shavez, for this call, and we will see you again very soon on the next Wednesday call. Thank you once again, and ladies and gentlemen, have a great weekend. We will be tomorrow live with the master training, as well as the back office training by Eunice. Thank you, and have a great weekend.